good, y'all? It's Deshell TV. If you do not already know, I am Deshell and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm just gonna be washing my hair and it'll be my second attempt at a 3-strand twist out. Usually I wear my twist, I wear them for a few days because we definitely trying to get 2 styles out of 1. It takes too much to do here. And I like how twists look on me, okay? As y'all can see, my hair has grown back a ton since I cut it. I'm kind of sad because I was kind of loving the short hair, but hey man, it's cool. It's cool. So yeah, my hair right now, y'all can see the state. I don't even recall the last time I did it. I think it might have just been last weekend before last, and yeah, it's time for it to go. I'm about to wash my hair, but before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, because sharing is caring, and we care. We care a lot. Without being too extra long-winded, let's get into this video. Products, I'll be using this Manetain curl define cream, and this also Manetain leave-in conditioner. It's their gold collection, and just Jamaican black castor oil. Okay, here I start parting my hair with my fingers in the back. I usually do that pretty often because I don't care about the parts in the back. And you can also see me taking this section back down to put oil on the whole section instead of a subsection. But I did go back and instead start doing it to subsection just because I felt it was gonna be better off for me. Lately, every time I do a style, I've been trying to use different products, and the end result is they look pretty good, even for like a day or two. But then following that, it's like immediate flakes. So if this doesn't help, I really don't know what will. I don't know if it's all the products I'm using. Like I said, I use different ones. I try to use different ones every time I do my hair because I'm trying to find what works for me. I never had this problem before I cut my hair. Cut my hair and like she started acting different, like, yeah. But y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all have had this problem or have had it and solved it. Like, let me know, please. Okay, so following the oil, you now see me going in with the leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna do however much I feel that is gonna coat that whole subsection. Use some water. I kind of switch things up in the way that I do things depending on how my hair is feeling. It's never really a set thing that I do or a set amount that I put in my hair. It's just however it feels. However much I feel like I need, that's what I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna go in with the styling cream, put that on there, and I believe I just split the two in half because I felt like I only needed to do 2 parts here. Once again, you see me splitting with my fingers because the back, I honestly do not care part wise. Their twist, it's gonna eventually be a twist out. You're really not gonna see the parts. Now for the 3-strand twist, you're just gonna take one side and move it over to the other. And that's what you see me doing currently. And I'm just gonna continue that. The way it is you're gonna take one side either from the far left and pull it to the right, or you're gonna take the side from the far right and put it to the left. And that's basically how you do a 3-strand twist, and you just continue in that way. I'm gonna also do it when I get to the front of my head, show you a little bit better, because I always feel like the back is a terrible way to show someone, but I promise once I get back to the front, you will get a more in detail and more slower way to see how to do a 3-strand twist if this is a learning experience for you. As I was saying, I do switch it up a little bit, and I do care about the parts in the front of my hair, so I actually parted this with a comb. I went in with the water first, and I'm going in secondly with the oil, which I will follow up with the leave-in conditioner and then the styling cream. I believe I keep this pattern constant for the rest of the time that I do my hair, because by the time I get to the front, I pretty much found what is working best for my hair today. As far as parting, I believe I go in with my finger and I just part this into 2, since the sides of my head towards the front are a little thinner. I don't want to make too many parts there because there's just not enough hair there. So for a 3-strand twist, 2 would probably be the best for me. And if this was more of a 2-strand twist, I'd probably be doing 3 to 4 potentially right there. But as you can see, I'm about to show you how to do this. Like I was saying earlier, you take one from the far left or the far right and take it to the opposite side. So right here, I'm taking the one from my, I don't even know, far left or far right, and I'm taking it to the opposite side, and then I'm gonna hold it there. And now there's a new one on the far left, and I'm taking it over to the far right. And you just kind of continue this process. Most people will pick it up pretty fast because it's basically like a braid. You just have to make sure you're catching yourself and make sure you don't bring any hair towards the middle. At no point are you trying to put any of your hair towards the middle. That is a braid. Do not do it. As I go down my hair, gathering, it's the same as doing any other style. Let's see. Yeah, gathering is the same. If you need any extra hair in any part, it's the same as doing a braid or a regular 2-strand twist. Once I get down towards the bottom, a comfortable spot for me, I transition towards a 2-strand twist. I do this with my braids as well. I don't know why, but 2-strand twists are very easy on the ends of my hair. And also once I get further down, I just transition fully towards a finger coil, just to coil the bottom so they're not, I don't know why I do that. I just decided to do that actually. So that's how you do a 3-strand twist. Okay, last twist. Pro tip: if you ever want to keep your hair out of face, just clamp it to the sides, especially while it's drying. If you have bad acne like myself. Anyway, I'm taking one of the parts of the twist from the left and taking it all the way to the far right. I may be going a little fast here. I guess I forgot by the end of this that this was a demonstration, but I'm gonna continuously take the one from the far left and bring it to the far right, never really touching the one in the middle as far as moving it anywhere. And I'm just keeping that same consistent pattern all the way down. And like I said earlier, once I get to the end, I'm usually if one part of the hair gets too short, I'm either gonna gather, or if I'm already close enough to the end, I'll probably just take it into a 2-strand twist like I do with this last twist, as you will see in a second, and then I just coil it in my fingers to finish it off. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Once again, this is a 3-strand twist tutorial, my second time doing it. I'll probably, maybe, if I remember, I'll be back within the next few days and I will show y'all the results. Probably just end up showing y'all first day. I probably won't go into like second day, third day, fourth day, Are so freaking cute. If I don't come back to y'all, I'm sorry. Maybe I'll post a picture or put a picture somewhere in the video. But if I don't, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you did make it to the end, you are a real OG. And like always, until my next video, stay blessed, unstressed. God bless. Bye. Okay, so this is day 1 hair. I did go in and fluff a little with my pick and separate very minimally, but this is her. The definity, man. The springage, man, like get into it.